Homeowners in Miami Gardens enjoy sunshine, warm breezes, and vibrant neighborhoods year-round. But living in South Florida also means dealing with intense humidity, heavy rain, and the occasional tropical storm. Over time, these weather conditions can take a toll on your home's doors, leading to warping, leaks, and energy loss. If your entry or patio doors are showing signs of wear, investing in a weatherproof door replacement is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Modern weather-resistant doors are designed to stand up to Miami Gardens' challenging climate, providing lasting protection, energy efficiency, and comfort for years to come. Here's why replacing your old doors with weatherproof models is essential for homeowners in South Florida. Protection from heat, rain, and humidity. Miami Gardens experiences a unique mix of heat, moisture, and coastal air, which can cause traditional wood doors to warp, swell, or crack over time. Once this happens, gaps form around the frame, allowing drafts, insects, and moisture into your home. A weatherproof door replacement solves these problems with durable materials such as fiberglass, steel, or composite. These doors are built to resist warping, rusting, and moisture absorption, even in the face of daily humidity or driving rain. Their tight seals and insulated cores keep your home's interior dry, comfortable, and protected, no matter what the forecast brings. Enhanced energy efficiency. With Miami Gardens' hot, sunny weather, maintaining a cool and comfortable home often means higher energy use. Old or poorly sealed doors can leak cool air, forcing your air conditioner to work harder and increasing your utility bills. Weatherproof doors are designed with energy-efficient insulation and multi-layer construction that minimizes heat transfer. Many models include low-E glass panels, weather stripping, and foam-filled cores to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. By preventing air leaks, these doors help you reduce energy costs year-round, keeping your home cooler in the summer and more comfortable during rare cold fronts. Storm-ready strength for South Florida weather. Miami Gardens homeowners know that hurricane season is a part of life. While impact windows often get the spotlight, doors play an equally important role in protecting your home from severe weather. High-quality weatherproof doors are available with impact-rated options that meet or exceed Miami-Dade County building codes. These doors feature reinforced cores, heavy-duty frames, and shatter-resistant glass to withstand high winds and flying debris. Even if you're not in a high-velocity hurricane zone, installing a weather-resistant door provides peace of mind and long-term durability through every season. Noise reduction and added security. A weatherproof door doesn't just protect against the elements, it also creates a quieter, more secure home environment. The same tight seals and reinforced materials that block wind and rain also help reduce outside noise from traffic, neighbors, and storms. In addition, modern doors come equipped with multi-point locking systems and impact-resistant glass, offering superior protection against potential break-ins. For Miami Gardens residents, that combination of strength and silence enhances both comfort and safety. Low maintenance and long-term value. Weatherproof doors are built for longevity and minimal upkeep, making them ideal for busy homeowners. Fiberglass and steel models don't require regular painting or sealing, and they're resistant to fading, rot, and corrosion. These doors maintain their appearance and performance for decades, saving you time and money on maintenance and repairs. And because they improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal, they also increase property value if you ever decide to sell. Custom designs for Miami Gardens homes. Replacing your door doesn't mean compromising on style. Weatherproof doors come in a wide variety of designs, colors, and finishes that complement any architectural style, from modern urban homes to classic South Florida ranch-style houses. You can choose from decorative glass inserts, textured panels, or sleek contemporary finishes, creating a look that's as durable as it is beautiful. A local Miami Gardens door installation expert can help you select the best materials and styles to suit your home's design and needs. A smart upgrade for year-round comfort and security. In Miami Gardens, where weather can shift from sunny to stormy in a matter of hours, a weatherproof door replacement is more than a home improvement. it's an investment in protection, comfort, and peace of mind. By upgrading to a modern, weather-resistant door, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, stronger security, and lasting performance, all while adding beauty and value to your home. When you're ready to make the switch, work with a trusted local door installation professional who understands South Florida's climate and building codes. With expert installation and high-quality materials, your new weatherproof door will keep your Miami Gardens home safe, stylish, and secure, rain or shine.